I'm Dr. Sparks, and I am a storyteller. I've got this thing here. It's a typewriter, and I'm gonna use it with your help to come up with an awesome story. What are some things that you would miss if you climbed all day and all night?
Mommy and Daddy.
So long, she missed Mommy and Daddy. I'm really struggling here. Do you know how to spell quesadilla?
Yeah.
How do you spell quesadilla?
K-I-S-T-T.
That's probably closer than when I was typing. When there was a little tiny, teeny earthquake. But what's the voice of the bunny? Right now I've just been using my regular voice.
Oh, a really low voice.
A really low voice like Batman. I'm Easter Bunny. A creature of Easter.